What's going on, my truckers? For the people that don't got 7-8 minutes to watch a video, the nationwide blitz is the 14th through the 16th. This video is posting today for the first nationwide blitz, right? They're trying to get over 100,000 drivers, right? People call it a money grab. Well, drivers are asking, are they doing it in South Florida? So I'm out in South Florida, so I'm going to all the rest areas, all the way stations, and if you don't have time to watch this video, there is no action out here in South Florida at all. If there's something that you're seeing, I ain't seeing it, but I'm just here to give you this message. But I went around for like 3 hours. Now I got to drive home another couple hours. But you know what? I do it for you guys because I love you. I appreciate you. And again, they might do it tomorrow, but today, nothing. What's going on, mother truckers? So we had a mother trucker that lives out in Georgia taking a load out here to South Florida and was wondering where all the blitz and inspections happening out in South Florida. So he asked me to go to the weigh stations and the I-95 and the turnpike and just see where all the popos are. So, you know, oh, let me show you this right here. This is pretty cool. Check that out. Isn't that cool? So I put mother trucker on the Jeep, right? And we got mother trucker on the seat. Isn't that neat? I'm telling you, if you don't have a goofy wife, then you don't got a great wife. I got Jenna over here. What? See some law enforcement over here, but nothing really. Usually on the turnpikes, like this one is West Palm Beach Service Plaza. It's almost like a little mall in there, right? And so they got the truck parking over here, and then right next to it is the Florida Department of Transportation, you know, state troopers right here. So you could, if I zoom in for you, you can see all of them, but it doesn't look active as far as blitz goes. So I'm with the fellow truck driver. What's your name, brother?
Nick.
Nick. So I don't see no action out here right now. Can you tell me what your thoughts are?
FHP's been out the last 2 weeks getting everyone.
So you know,
they're not really out heavy right now.
Yeah.
Pulling people over this week during the blitz.
So you were telling me off camera that basically they do it before the blitz because once it's announced, people, you know, they're watching out for it, right?
They go ahead and for the last couple of years I've been watching them. They do it beforehand, like the week or two leading up to the blitz, and then the week of the blitz they keep a low profile unless there's something they need to do.
I heard that. I'm gonna keep on driving. I'm gonna go to the weigh stations and I'm gonna see what's up. And that's what I used to do right there. North American Van Lines. He got the big bunk. Look at that right there. It says struggling in style. I love that right there. That's awesome. Weigh station and truck parking. 6 spaces available. It's coming up in about 3 miles. So it does say the weigh station's open. Yeah, I think my guy's right. I mean, I see normal inspection, but I don't see a whole bunch of trucks out. and a whole bunch of cops. No. Looks pretty normal. Let's head to this rest area. Let's see if there's a blitz happening here. No action, people. Which is a positive thing, actually. Leave these truck drivers alone, you know what I mean? I mean, they're working their butts off, and they're just trying to sleep for the night. Here's the way station on southbound. Yeah, besides the typical inspections that they're having, everything looks pretty normal over there too. Look at that truck right there. That's pretty awesome right there. Talked to that driver right there. He said, no DOT today. Hey, mother trucker. So I went to the Loves. I went to the Flying J. There's no action anywhere. I talked to about 12 drivers. They said they didn't see any action besides the normal way stations that they're going in. One got inspected, but nothing big. So if you're going into Florida, as of the first nationwide blitz, it looks like Florida didn't do it today. Maybe they'll do it tomorrow. I can't say. But as far as today goes, I ain't seeing any extra action.